We'll guide you through how to run code in Terminal in VS Code. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.
First, open VS Code on your computer and make sure your project is already open. Now, look at the top left corner and click on File. From there, just go to Preferences and go to Settings. Once the setting page opens, you will see a search bar at the top. You can either use the search bar or manually find the option. From the left side panel, just click on Extension to expand it. And from here, find an option labeled as Run Code Configuration. And just click on it. After that, find the option labeled as Run in Terminal. By default, this option is usually turned off, which is why your code runs in the output window. Now toggle the Run in Terminal like so. And once this is enabled, VS Code will start running your code inside terminal. After that, just close the settings. Go back to your code file. Now, test if this change is working properly. In my case, I'm just gonna go with a Java file. So I'll just click on this little run code, or I'll just right click on it and click on run code. And as you can see, our output has been successfully printed in the terminal tab. Thanks for watching GuideRealm, and don't forget to check out our next video, and I'll see you in the next one.